Hello everyone. Today we are going to work on prepositions quiz. Prepositions of time, at, on, and in. So if you are ready, let's get started. So, the first sentence is goodbye, see you, Sunday. So you should choose which preposition is correct. At, on, or in. So which one is correct? Goodbye, see you. So the correct one is on. Goodbye, see you on Sunday. The second one is I got up 8 o'clock this morning. So which one is correct? At, on, or in? So the correct answer is at. I got up at 8 o'clock this morning. I like getting up early in the morning. So I like getting up early in the morning. Did you go out Monday? So the correct answer is did you go out on Monday? Did you go out Monday evening? The correct one is on. Did you go out on Monday evening? Do you often go out in the evening? So what we should put here, did you often go out? The correct one is in. Do you often go out in the evening? I often go out. I often go away the weekend. So the correct one is I often go away at the weekend. My sister got married May. So which one is correct? At, on, in? The correct answer is in. My sister got married in May. Where were you 20 May? So the correct one is on. Where were you on 20 May? I like getting up early the morning. The correct answer is I like getting up early in the morning. Mary and I first met what we should put at in is the correct one. Did you go out Tuesday morning? So the correct answer is on. Did you go out on Tuesday morning? I'm starting my new job 5 July. So which answer is correct, at, on, or in? So the correct one is on. I'm starting my new job on 5 July. I often go away the weekend. I often go away the weekend. So I often go away at the weekend. I like to look at stars. Night. So the correct answer is I like to look at stars at night. Laura was born France. Laura was born France. So the correct one is in. Laura was born in France. I'll be back an hour. So which one is correct, at, on, or in? I'll be back an hour. So the correct answer is in. I phone you 3 days. What we should put at, on, or in? So the correct answer is in. I phone you in 3 days. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye for now.